That's the dude that was recording all the stuff. He got the best camera in the world. I'll watch you on YouTube.
Yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. What's up, guys? You haven't been seeing much of me lately, huh? Hasn't been many of my videos out there, has there? I'm still here though, I'm still alive. We just cranked up over 1,000 subscribers last month, and I gotta thank you guys very much for that. Been a while since I've made a vlog or done anything like that. So anyway, I figured I'd put something together. Today's the 5th of July. Yesterday for me was the 4th of July. Dun, 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 dun. Got some footage of fireworks going off in the neighborhood. So I figured I would just share that with you guys because that's what I like to do. That's what I like to do. That's my life, you know? Very exciting right now. I guess for lack of content and lack of time to produce that lack of content I don't have is pretty much the reason why I haven't been on any kind of regular type of thing here. I've been working my butt off. I have several jobs. Several jobs. Right now I'm in Crown Point Truck Stop. I come here a few hours a week. This job gives a little bit of sense of security and lets me live comfortable. My other jobs don't exactly pay me right away. A lot of what I do is investment into other businesses, setting myself up a little bit, you know, just so that I don't have to actually work my entire life. That there will be a time where I get to rest and then I get to pass away happy. Get what I'm saying? One thing we're going to be working on is some collaboration. I've gotten together with other YouTubers. We're going to put our ideas together and we're going to start putting out collaborative work. We all have our own channels, we all vlog, and we all you know, do our own thing. We want to take our creativity and our thoughts and all that good stuff and put it all together and try to give you guys something a little bit different. Be on the lookout for that. We're going to make it happen. I had a meeting last night with one of the people, and I mean, that's what we talked about. We're just going to make this happen. We're going to do it. It's tough. It's tough. The more people you add to the project for a side project, the harder it gets because of the time, because of the coordination. Hopefully, with my experience on working on projects similar, it's like how every project I work on that I get paid for, it's basically how it is. We have to coordinate delegate certain jobs and coordinate in certain ways that, you know, just to make everybody happy and just get the job done. That's the bottom line. Sometimes there's been times where I worked on a project and my job was but changed to you know. It just is what it is. Bottom line, you want to put out the very best content that you possibly can and just get it done. Just get it done. If you don't get it out there, nobody's going to see it, right? Alright, so here's some fireworks from yesterday.